Hi guys, Gretchen here, Possum Fun and Frugal. I wanted to show you some new little gadgets I got for the minivan. I've been working on some new, I didn't get, and I apologize, I was going to show you some of the new things I did in my last video and somehow I forgot. Bad habit I have of that. Anyway, probably my brain fog flare up from that camping trip, I just somehow it slipped my mind. Anyway, I'm going to show you now some of my new gadgets and some of the changes, small changes I'm making. Just little things to make the van more comfortable and convenient for me. So I'll turn the camera around and show you. So I have I created a box for some of my extra stuff. One of my hanging things like this, the other one, it broke. I decided, I had to move all that stuff, and I didn't have much room, so I installed this little shelf, bungee cord, and it holds some of those things that were in the other hanging thing. And then I created this box, and I had to find a creative way to secure it in a way that I could take it down if I need to. So you see it's tied to these clips with two strings going in the side, and I just repurposed a cardboard box and put a sticker there for a little aesthetics, and I covered it with a brown tape just to kind of get rid of the box look. But it's secured. I don't know if you can see, there's the other hook, and the string goes through the sides and it holds it up there. And it's twine, so it should be pretty tough. And I didn't put too many heavy things in there, but this is stuff I don't use as often, except for that cream. And then some of my sun and bug stuff there. Just trying to get a little more organized. This is mostly makeup and hair. This is toothbrushing and some deodorant stuff in there, facial stuff. This is all toiletries, my cotton for earplugs, and some medicine things. And I had just cleaned up from the last trip. There's a few messes because I just threw my reusable bags back in here, and I had to clean this up a little. And I have a new thing to hold my phone if I want to watch movies from up here. And then I got this little table. It goes right in the cup holder, and it's adjustable, and it has a little mat so things don't slip around. And I actually got on Temu, but it was defective. It was missing the piece that holds it here, but I was able to wrap some tape and get it to hold on here. So, and it holds a phone. I could have my phone here or over there. And I'm trying to hook up a little solar panel in my window, and I had it in there, and I had this double-sided tape. It was supposed to be really strong, but the sun made it fall off. So I have to figure out a new way to attach it to that window again. So that's the project for today. And then I had an idea that I'm not sure is going to work about putting some kind of shelf back here. But I don't know if that's going to work. So we'll find out. I have to do some measuring and figure out where I'll put the other stuff if I do that. So stay tuned for more updates on Ruby the minivan. And Cersei's in here. hanging out with me because we're in training for service dog training. So now, even when I'm at home, I have to keep her with me all the time and keep her training up. So she's a good girl. Okay, so I got the solar panel back up, and I forgot to show you, so I'm just going to show you the corner of it. I used the 3M Velcro, the same as I did for my back window shade. And I'll go around the other side and show you. You can see it a little bit through the window. And I know it won't get as much sun because the window's tinted, but it'll be something just to help keep this little power bank that I have, 300, plugged in and charged. There, I have my little box back up. Solar panel is on there. I just need to get some cords. I have to order the cords from this to solar panel, and then I have to go from this to the power bank, but I don't have the right cords, so I have to order those. So those will be later down the video. There, so I'm all set up again. Everything in its place, cleaned up a little bit. I gotta take my keys with me. And those two bags go in the house because those are my bags for when I stay with family or somebody, and they're my little to-go bags with my medicines and toiletry. And they go back in the house so I can repack them next time I go visit family. Or so like if I'm camping and I decide to go use a shower, public shower, then I have this my little shower bag, and if I stay with other people, then I take both these bags in and I have everything I need. And I don't have to come in and out of the van to get stuff. Otherwise, those bags live down here in this container, which is almost empty because that's where those bags go when I travel. And we are all set. So I rearranged there a little bit. I put all my spices up there because they were down in there, and that gives me a little more room for food. More food of my snack bag. This is like fruit and stuff, and then my snacks are over there. And I have a mirror for if I want to check how I look before I go out, just like I would at home. And I still have to put more clothes back in here. That's why those are a little bit shrunken down because I had to do laundry, so the clothes need to come back. My little bedside table, and pretty soon I'll be ready for the, oh, I gotta put my toothbrush back. So I made this shelf out of a shelf I had laying around and some duct tape to keep things from falling out. So I'm going to try this out in the van. We'll see how it works. So now I've got it in the van and I have it bungeed. So it's going to provide me some extra shelving. And this will keep things from falling out. So, yay, yay, I like it. So let's see what we can rearrange and put in there. It's great. Okay, got the new shelf all set up. I cleared stuff out of there so I have more room when I go long-term camping. And these puts things up here that are more within my reach. It'll be easier to get to them. And cleared out a little bit of that stuff so it's easier to get to things. I don't have to dig around. Stuff I don't use as much is down there. Stuff I would use more often is up here. I have all my little boxes of coffee and snacks and things. That's my little kitchen. And that's my little miscellaneous work drawers. I have spices and things up here, and I have it bungeed so it doesn't go anywhere. Bungeed in the back too. So that's going to work out great. And I made use of a piece of furniture I didn't know what to do with. And the top is kind of messed up, so I just used black duct tape. And I couldn't figure out, I'm trying to do things very frugally, because that's Possum Fun and Frugal. I was trying to find a way to keep things from falling out. There's a lip on the other side of these shelves, so things don't fall out if I do open the door. But this is so they don't fall out this way. And I put this stuff down to keep things from slipping around. And now things are more within reach. So, more little upgrades to Ruby. There, now here's a better view of what I've set up. And I've got quite a little setup going. Now I can see where everything is. I can throw more food into the box. And yeah. A little table. Oh, I have to retie my air conditioner and my Road Pro. Put my bed back in couch mode. There we go. Things are all hooked back up. Back in travel mode. My little shelf back there. And back into couch mode. And now I have my solar panel here for easy access. My Fluidity. And I think we are going to be ready for whatever next road trip comes up.